Hey everybody, I'm Chris Friesen. I'm a wheel builder here at NOBL Wheels, and this is my 2019 Specialized Levo. So I primarily bought this bike for trail building. So I build a lot in Abbotsford on Sumas Mountain, and this bike allows me to get in and build and repair trails a lot easier. So a couple other e-bike specific things. This comes with an e-bike specific drivetrain. So it has a heavier duty chain, front and rear sprockets, and this bike has a 500 watt-hour battery. For wheels, I'm running the TR36 29-inch version. So that's my 2019 Specialized Levo.